Hey everyone, Tudor Branco Turco here, and today we're going to be making breakfast for my family. Now, I have to whisper in this video, or I'm not really whispering, but I need to talk a little bit quieter because my parents are sleeping and I don't want to wake them up. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to need is a plate. Just going to get it. What plate to use? I know, please. I'll use this. I'll use this plate here. Ow. Anyway, here it is. And the first thing we're going to make is a sandwich. So I've just toasted 2 pieces of bread right here. Yep. And we're going to be putting cheese on the toast. So let's do it. Get a knife. Be careful with the knife. Oh wait, maybe not this knife. This is too sharp. Yeah, this one. Be careful with the knife and get an adult to help you with this, because using a knife is dangerous and you don't want to get cut, do you? Nope. I wouldn't want to get cut. Alright, we got the cheese open. It wasn't easy by myself, but I made it. Time to cut some slices, man. Cheese is my favorite food in the world, and I'm trying not to, get hungry and, like, eat it myself. And, yeah, just gotta fight for my own life so that I can make breakfast for my family. Yep. One slice. Oh, gotta put some of it on there. Gotta cut another slice. Thick. That. So. Cut a little bit like this so I can put it like that on the toast. And cut it. Put slice here, and there's some little bits here, and there's gotta rip them off and just put them on the toast. And put some here, and then get some more, put it like this, and get some of the bits of cheese on the table and just put them on the bread. Yep. Yep, that'll do. put it here. This. There. Look at it. They look beautiful. And now, let's save the sandwiches till later and move on to the next thing we're gonna make, which is a pepper filled with hummus. It's gonna be so delicious, man. Get another plate. Now I just gotta cut the pepper. And also I'm gonna cut this, cut the top and the bottom. As you can see, there are things inside the pepper. I'm just gotta remove the seeds. Yep, it's a surprise for my family. And yeah. Remove all of them. Remove them all, remove them all, remove them all. Like that. And, oh, and an idea came. Why not put this on one of the slices of my sandwich? Yep, that's a great idea I just had. And now time for the big moment to fill the pepper with hummus. Yeah. Let's open this up. Oh, there it is. Lid. Open this. Yep. Clean the knife. That. Open this up. Open the lid. Open this plastic here. Oh my god. It's crazy loud. There. Knife it is. And now let's put the hummus inside. And this right here is onion. What am I gonna do with the onion, you ask? Put it on one of the slices on my sandwich. Take this onion, put it on. Cheese is falling off, and I'm gonna get it off. I'm gonna put it back on later. Oh wait, put it back on. And now time to continue the filling process. Fill it in till the bottom. Fill. Well, I filled it, and now time to put the top back on to make them think that this is just a pepper that's normal, when in actuality, it's filled. Hee hee. Tricky Tudor. You know, that should be like a nickname, Tricky Tudor. The frick. To make it stick. Just gotta put it in and put it in. How to put it. Like that. Yep. Put the lid. That. I'll remove the hummus to make it look like it's a pepper that's. You know what? Then maybe I'll just use the tissue to clean the hummus that's overflowing. There. Stand. You know what? Until then, well, now what am I going to do with the sandwich? Well, microwave it. I'll go over to the microwave. Put the sandwich in. Close it up. So let's set it to about 40 seconds and go. Now, see if it's done. See if it's not really. Let's see. I'm gonna close the microwave again and try again. And we'll leave it to like 2 minutes. And no, we're not gonna watch a sandwich spin round and round for 2 minutes. So we're gonna speed it up. We'll just do it like that and go. It's been in a microwave for like 3 minutes, 2 minutes combined with another 1 minute. Because that means it's been here for 3 minutes. Let's see if it's melted. Well, would you look at that? I guess this microwave is broken because it literally doesn't warm a single thing. Well, that's 70 lays I'm never gonna get back. I guess we should consider throwing this microwave in the trash, seeing as it doesn't warm anything anymore. Anyway, here's the sandwich. It didn't do anything, but yeah. Well, I guess breakfast is served. So, my parents have woken up and it's time for the taste testing.
Fabulous. This is a real feast. Congratulations, Tudor.
Thanks. Isn't it good?
One of a kind.
Well, that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.